Oh shit, wait a minute. Oh, them bitches done fucked up. Alright, you guys, what is up? Today we are gonna be making a motherfucking protein shake to get big on these bitches. It's really quick and easy, you guys. All you guys are gonna need 2 bananas, two big ass bananas. Protein. You guys should try this, man. It's good. I don't really like the s'mores flavor, but the double chocolate or the extreme chocolate will do. It's really good, you guys. Give it a try. 2 scoops of peanut butter. I mean, I don't got it. I thought my mom had an oatmeal, but I used to put oatmeal in there, but that's all you guys need. Now let's go blend that shit up and get big on these. Now fill that ugly ass cup 3/4 of a way, you guys. There you go, me filling it up 3/4 of a way. We want to make sure you want to put less, but get a scoop of peanut butter. Pour it onto the damn blender. Don't break the glass, you guys. It happened to me once. I used my last scoop. The bag was empty pretty much. Put those 2 big ass bananas to get big on these bitches. How are you gonna get big if you're not eating, you guys? I'm teaching you guys the ways. I'm giving you guys the shit. As you can see here, you guys, I got the blender. I blended up the shit. The protein shake. The get big bitches protein shake. I couldn't finish it, you guys. I'm a bitch for that. But like I said, I couldn't finish it. I hope you guys the video. I hope you guys like the damn video. I love you guys. Dicen que soy mamón, también que soy culero.